Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please give me a big thumbs up. Please hit your notification bell button so anytime I put out a video, you will be notified. And if you're new here today, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So on today, I wanted to share with you all what I'm currently working on. I have a new client who is a first-time home buyer, and she chose me to be her home decorator and designer, and I'm having a wonderful time. So what I've been working with is this lovely color here, this yellow mustard gold, and these are some of her decor pieces. So let's begin with the pillows. So these pillows here is a lovely, luxurious mustard yellow color. The camera doesn't do it any justice, but it is a beautiful color, and I'm loving working with it. So what I did to this pillow, I added this large brooch, which is gold and silver, just to give her pillow some character. I'm one that I don't like any plainness. I like to add character to anything that I'm designing. Here's another pillow that I added a larger brooch. It's also gold and crystal. And I added the bling wrap to make the pillow into a bow tie. Behind this pillow is this lovely yellow mustard gold candle, to which I also decorated it with a brooch and the bling wrap. And these candles, I had my husband to spray paint a white color, just to make that yellow gold really pop out at you. Here's this lovely portrait of this yellow flower. It's within the same color scheme that we're working with. And in the middle of the portrait, I put some rhinestone pieces in the middle of the flower and on the side. Just above the picture, over to the side, I added some pearls. And like I said, just to give it some character. This is a beautiful picture. Right below the picture, you have this, it's actually a candle stand, but I'm not going to use it as a candle stand. The little marble gray piece. I added the little bling piece onto it. Put a little bling up under the neck. I want to use that for something else. And when I give a grand tour of her living room and dining room, you'll be able to see the plans that I have for that. Right now, I'm working on her decor pieces so that I can finish both her living room and dining room. And then I will give you guys a grand tour of it. I'm really loving working with this color. It's a beautiful color. Her color scheme is this yellow mustard gold, white, and gray. So we have some surprises waiting for you all to see. I'd also like to share with you some of the upgrades that I've done in my home. With my candles, I've added this large brooch piece to have my candles stand out a little bit more. I had a smaller piece on there before, but now I've added these large brooch pieces. Let me get over here. And they're lovely. It makes the candles stand out even more than they did before. And I know it's springtime. And if you've seen my dining room and living room tour, you know that I have spring in my home all year round. That's why I don't decorate my rooms in my home by season. Whatever season I want to have, it's going to be here all year round. Above the staircase, I've added these lovely white flowers on top of my sconces, or my candle holders, being that it's springtime, and it gives it a beautiful look. And there's one upstairs as well. Let me give you a closer look. So I just wanted to share with you all some of the changes that I've made since you've seen my last video. And if you haven't seen my living room and dining room tour, please be sure to go and watch and leave a nice comment. I would love to read your comments. In my family room, I upgraded this vase that sits in the opening in my wall. You'd have to see what it looked like prior. If you go back and watch my living room tour, you will see what it looked like before. So this is an upgrade. I made this lovely centerpiece, which is very large. The camera doesn't do it any justice, but I decided to do an upgrade in this corner just to give it a wow piece. And I love the way it came out. I added the beads to go around the vase at the bottom. And then here are the lovely colors that are within my room. I decided to just put the red flowers over to the side and then add other pieces throughout the floral arrangement with orchids at the bottom. Then I love these little curly pieces. I like my curly curls. So it came out beautiful, and I love it. Here is one more last upgrade that I've done to my family room. I added the pampas grass to this lovely red vase. And as I said, I added the decal to this vase just to give it character. And originally, the beads that you just saw around the vase over on the other side were hanging out of this vase, but I decided to add the pampas grass. And I love it. So now, when you stand across the room, it draws your eye. And it really makes the vase pop out from a distance. So, this is going to end my video. I just wanted to update you all on what I've been doing. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. Until then, you all stay blessed.